If you've ever wished a macOS application had a keyboard shortcut for a menu item, here's how you can add that shortcut. This is Scapple, a mind mapping application I use for mapping out software I'm working on. I use it as a loose flowchart for modules, methods, and code, etc. You can see Scapple doesn't have a shortcut for centering objects horizontally. While no one usually sees these maps, I still like to keep them tidy. Open System Preferences and select Keyboard. Select the Shortcut tab, and then App Shortcuts from the sidebar. Click the plus sign to add a new shortcut. In the All Applications menu pop-up, we're going to switch that to Scapple. In the menu title, you want to type the menu item exactly as it appeared in the application. Next, add your keyboard shortcut. Make sure your shortcut isn't already being used by the application, or both shortcuts will fire. Click the Add button, and you're done. If I switch back to Scapple now, see Horizontal Center now has a keyboard shortcut. I'm going to deselect the menu and take that keyboard shortcut for a test drive. And there you go. So that's how you can add keyboard shortcut to macOS application menu items that don't have them. I'm Mark Sweeney. Thanks for watching.